Welcome to Team 537's Robo Recap for 2018 Stop Build Day. Tuesday, February 20th was the last day of our build season, known as Ship Day, but officially titled Stop Build Day. It is the last time a team can work on its robot outside of competition. Team 537 used every available minute of the 20th to work on our robot. As the hour grew late and the pressure mounted, team members continued to assemble and improve our product. And at 10:47 p.m., Team 537's robot was sealed snugly in its transport bag. Since this year, assembly of the robot was overseen by our production and engineering teams. We talked with our robot operations director, Caitlin Bowles, about the state of our robot at deadline.
The end of build season went exceptionally well for Team 537. We had a lot of work to still get done in those final hours, and we all stuck it out, and we finished a really strong season off. We had our robot in the bag way before 11. Everyone was home by 11, which was something very nice. In those last few hours, we were able to test our robot and some of the components on it. We were testing and deploying code to them. We were able to validate that all of our concepts do work, that our cube manipulator can manipulate a cube, our ramp can lift a robot, and we can drive around, which is awesome. But this year we had a little bit of a different approach bagging our robot. Normally we stick everything for our robot all assembled into one bag. This year we did not do that though. We actually used two separate bags. In the one bag we have our robot with some spare parts in it, so it doesn't count against our carrying weight. And then in our other bag we have our two ramps. They're completely assembled themselves, they're just not on the robot. The reason for that was so we could transport the robot easier.
With the robot sealed and ready for transport, there is one question that lingers in many people's minds. So what happens now? We asked Hunter Dow, strategy lead.
I can't speak for the other departments or the other leads of what they do, but what strategy does is we pre-scout for the upcoming regional, for example, for Wisconsin. We pre-scout the robots that are coming there, what the robots can do, and what other regionals that they're going to. So on ship day, the robot is put into a bag, and then we're not allowed to touch it for a while. I don't know the exact dates, but when the regional that we are attending comes up, then the robot is sent in a truck. We put it into a box, we send it in a truck, and it arrives in our regional.
If you are not able to travel with Team 537, you can tune in At the Control, a website that gives you stats, schedules, and a live feed of first regionals. To make sure that you do not miss any of the action, visit atthecontrol.com. If you would like to learn more about Charger Robotics and First Robotics competition, visit team537.org. There you can see build season updates, check out our social media feeds, see what we do in our community, and discover many other resources. For all this and more, visit team537.org. Thanks for joining us for this summary of the Stop Build Day. Tune in next week for Team 537 Robo Recap.